Hi, you're welcome to Kammy Designs. Let's make creativity super easy for you.
It's time. So today we're going to learn how to create AI picture prompts. Yes. So you have been seeing some beautiful pictures online and you're wondering how are these people creating prompts for these images? So if this is what interests you, stay right there. Like stay right there, don't panic. So this tutorial will be the one of ChatGPT and the one of Cloud. Yeah, we're going to use ChatGPT and Cloud to generate prompts for this image. Okay. So what you're going to do first, when you go to your cloud AI. So once your cloud comes up, interface you're going to see. So if I go to this plus now, I'll be able to add a photo. So the photo that I want to generate the image prompt for, you get. So I'm going to go to photos and I'm going to go to browse. Then to take me to the different pictures in my gallery. Okay. So way to go to album. So just navigate your own background the way you want. Okay, so I'm going to use this is one of the pictures that I've generated. Which picture are we going to use now? Okay, let's use this. I'm going to click on this good icon. So on this, I've uploaded the image. So what I'm going to do is to I've already copied out the prompt I always use. You have to tell just this simple prompt. Generate a well detailed prompt like this, like a professional photographer for this image. So then you click on this good icon. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing the prompts? So I can still tell it like this. I'll still copy this and be like, okay, I'll paste it. I'll be like, generate a well detailed prompt for this, like a photographer. Okay, I will be using, let's say I'll be using Flow AI and ChatGPT to generate the image. So are you seeing it? You can still prompt it this way. So let's say I copy it completely. I click on, let me cut it. Then let me go back to this. You get, I want to still use this. So edit the message. Are you getting me? To still bring up that same one you prompted at first. I don't want to like go back to get pictures. So you can still go back to your gallery, get pictures and use it. So it's still acceptable. So let me just paste this one. Remember, we have generated the first prompt of we're going to use. You can still use that one to generate your picture. So I'll click on good icon. So are you saying it? Yup, 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 yup. So you give a well detailed prompt. You get. So you can post, that's how you can do it. Like get a lot of pictures, prompted, and you are getting a prompt. So after getting this prompt, what are you going to do? You're going to copy this prompt. Just come to this copy icon, this thing that look like two block shaped together at this extreme. You copy it. Then go to your notes because I have a note on my phone. So go to note icon. Let's say see the notes. See how notes for every phone has notepad. So see notepad. So I go to my notepad. I already have something I wrote out there, so I'll go to this first one I wrote out. Why strictly maintaining the exact same facial features, skin tone, and body type of this reference image? Then you paste that prompt you created in Cloud. Do you get? So click it down, paste. So if I paste it now, I'm going to like edit it like because these ones are not necessary. So to clean this uh, type of this reference image. So just clean up to this point. Then you can now come here and add create a, do you get? Then come here and clean to this extent, give a space. Are you seeing it? While strictly maintaining the exact same facial features, skin tone, and body type of this reference image, create a professional studio portrait of a confident. It's now describing that prompt, like that image that we uploaded in our cloud. You get. So what you will do now is to read down. If there is anything you want to edit, like now I want to like cancel this times two times here, and just edit the prompt the way you want. You mustn't like copy it verbatim. Let's say you don't like that one red the prompt has, you can actually edit it. Let's go to the style. It says corporate high-end editorial picture, color graded with one. So this one just the okay, say want me to also generate a shorter simple. I know this one is not among it. Just clean it. So you have to read the prompt very well. Read it very well to be able to use it to generate picture you get. So you see deep plum or boring giddy fitted dress. So I can change it to red, but I don't want to change. So you can highlight and say deep red. So the color of the clothes has changed. So just read if there's anything. They say a thin layered necklace. So if you don't want necklace, you remove it. So just read through and edit it to the way you want. So let me go back. So if you click here too, you have to undo what you deleted. Okay. So I still want this prompt. So I'm going to click on good icon. So this prompt is ready for me to use. So I've generated a prompt. So this is how you can generate prompt of any picture in Cloud AI. So let us do the one of Chat GPT. Yeah. So let's do the one of Chat GPT. So what I'll do now is to copy. Let me copy this strictly while strictly maintaining the exact same features. Create a so let me copy it, click good, go back, go to plus, paste it. So I want to generate a new prompt. Okay. So click on this good icon, then go back. Okay. So what I'll do now is go to Cloud AI. Let's copy that prompt that we use because it's going to be very beneficial for us. So just copy this, copy message. Then go to Chat GPT. Okay, go to Chat GPT. I open my Chat GPT. This is the interface I'll compact. Go to Chat GPT, go to new chat, go to Chat GPT, click here, go to new chat. So once new chat pops up, go to plus. You see, I already have a limit. You get, I can't upload picture. I'm using the free version. So, but if you are using the pro version, that's it. So what I will do now is I'm going to use a picture that I've uploaded before. So I'll go to file and click on this picture, attach item. You get, then I'll attach this. But if, but for now, if let's say I've not used up my free upload, at least by tomorrow it's going to reset. So I'm going to go click on plus, then I'll click on camera or photo. Camera will be to like snap and now prompt. Photo will be for me to select picture from my album. Do you get? But now I just want to use file. File is the pictures that you have in your ChatGPT you have uploaded before. Do you get? So I clicked on file. I've already selected this one. Okay, so I say attach item. So I pasted the prompt that we copied from from cloud. I posted the prompt I collected from cloud. So I'm going to click on this good icon. It's going to give me a prompt. You get? Are you seeing it? What I'm going to do now is to copy it, the prompt that I've generated in ChatGPT. Are you seeing it? So remember that you can do this, try it over and over again. If even if after you generate the pictures and it's not giving you what you like, you can still prompt over and over again. Okay. So I've copied it. Remember our copy icon is this. Then let's go to our notepad that is on our phone. So go to notes, go to why strictly maintaining same features. Remember. Okay. So I'm going to paste. So this one is the one that we got in our this thing, ChatGPT. So even like the way you wrote this thing. Maintain the exact feature, skin tone, hairs, body portions, and identity of a reference CV. Do not alter features. If you are using image as a reference, are you seeing it? So let's say while let me use this their prompt is still okay. That our own is also still okay. While maintaining while maintaining the exact feature, skin tone, body proportions, like identity of the reference image. Do not alter features. Do you get? So features, create a are you getting? So let me copy. No, let me cut it because I don't want it to show down. Cut. So come up here and click on this, then paste. So this is what we have. So clean it. So are you seeing? So we have a prompt. So we have these two prompts that we're going to use to generate image. Do you get? Right. So this is how you can generate prompts with either Cloud or ChatGPT. So if this video interests you and you want to try it out, so go to your Flow AI, go to your ChatGPT and try out to generate any image style that you want. So another thing is if you want to get images, maybe there's image you like. So this one is a bonus to this tutorial because I did not have it at the I did not plan to add it, but let me just show you a quick way. So let me click this good icon, go to Pinterest, and maybe just how to find pictures that you like. Just go to this search icon. The search icon is down. So these are some pictures I have searched out for before. So I see in professional headshot women. So let me say I type here professional headshot women. So are you seeing? So I love this. So this is how you can find pictures. And if you click on this picture now, I seen some other picture that are similar to it. Do you get? So that's it. So you can use professional headshot women to generate. Then you can also come and write if you're a male, say male photo shoot ideas, male birthday photo shoot ideas. So you search. So are you seeing some fine pictures? So you can, but this one is so nice. So look for picture that, let's say, the face is showing very well, shows the person's face very well, so that when you prompt it and say use a reference picture, like the picture will resemble. The picture will resemble. You check out other platforms, okay, like on, let's say, Instagram, Facebook, and generate the prompt. Then use your own reference image and now generate your own personal image, maybe in Flow AI or ChatGPT. So if in my next tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, share, and hit the notification bell to know when we post our next video. Bye. This is Kammy Design. See you in our next video. Bye. We love you.